bloody.
It's bloody.
Sailor.
Yeah, he's dropping his horns. Get him those wild ones or whatever. Some mic. Come here, pretty boy.
Too small.
He's up. He smells it now. Oh, they are bleeding.
Are you kidding me? There. Get it.
Did he get it?
Oh, it's right to the left.
He's gotten it, didn't he?
It's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Get it. Oh, dummy. Yeah, right there.
Let him sniff it out. He will. Poor boy's in rut right now, and he ain't feeling too great, probably. He's tired. He looks tired.
Try it. That's right there. I got one.
He did. Oh, look at him chewing it. He's licking. Lick, lick, lick. He's gonna get up now and start sniffing, huh? You think?
For the rest of it. Try to get him closer.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, big boy. Hey, pretty man. Hey, pretty man. Pretty man. Look. Look. Come here, pretty man. Come here. Come here, pretty man.
Push some buttons.
I give him some bun. I put some grapes straight down. So maybe put couple little pieces there. Now I can see those. He's gonna go for those. I don't think he feels very well, Dad. Or he might. I don't know. It looks like he's been rubbing he's dropping bloody, off his horns right now. His velvet's coming off. His neck's all swollen,
Did I get through both of those already?
Mhm. Yeah, it goes quick. Goes quick. Unless it went underneath my feet. I don't. Mm-mm. Isn't he pretty? Gorgeous.